This is Vasomit Banchur, your computer teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. So student, today we will learn about some more tags. So first, adding line break. Adding line break means if you want to begin a new line in HTML page, if you want to begin a new line, so here we are using BR tag. BR tag, how to write? Angular bracket B and R. The full form of this BR is line breaks. Means the meaning of BR tag is to break the line. This is an empty tag. So we had learned earlier that empty tag and non-empty tag. So this one is the empty tag. Empty tag is having only open tag, not a closed tag. So to add line break, type BR tag where you want to line break to occur. For example, type BR at the end of the line. Hello, this is my first web page. So listen, while writing in Notepad as a HTML code, you have to give all instructions you have to give in that code only. If you want some space, then for a space also you have to give write the code. If you want underline, then also you have to write the code. If you want to break the line, suppose you are writing in line, first line, second line, third line without any order list, without any list, then also you have to show in the code that you want that line to be at next line. So if you want this, then you have to write the BR tag. BR tag is used as that you are knowing the enter key in keyboard, that the same function is the meaning of BR code. Here see the program is not visible here, but see here that if you are writing the line text line, if you are writing in any topic, so at the last you have to give the BR tag. See here BR tag, at the last you have to give the BR tag. It means the browser will read that BR means next line. So browser will give the next line and display the content of next line. Here my word hello, this is my first web page. While writing in Notepad, this is my first web page. After web page we have to write BR tag. Then again start, let us learn more about tags and attributes and values. So while doing the practicals, you do first you write like this only. Hello, this is my first web page, and then come to the second line and let us learn more about the attribute and values. To write this type without giving BR tag and see the output, and then again you come to the this Notepad page, and then after web page you write BR tag and then see the output and see and find out the difference between BR tag and not given the BR tag there. So now come to the practice. This is the practical practical question is there. Here also it is mentioned that first.html, then you have to write the paragraph. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. This paragraph you write, then write the BR tag after HTML is written there. The HTML tags are two types, non-empty and empty tag. This also you write, and then last save it. Now come to the horizontal rule. Horizontal rule means if you want to draw a horizontal line in the whole page means full page. If you want to write the horizontal line, so you have to use here HR tag. HR tag, simply angular bracket, inside the angular bracket you write HR, and HR tag is what? Empty tag. HR tag is empty tag. It means it is not having any close tag. So like this, and then come to the question. HR tag, see here my word, see the output here. My word, after my word two horizontal line is printed here, displayed here. Like this you have to if you want to type, if you want to show the line, so here after my word you have to simply write HR tag like this. If you are writing two HR tag continuously, then see here two line will be displayed. Like this HR tag is used. Now, if you want to draw that HR horizontal line multicolors in different colors, so here HR is having one attribute color, and that attributes you are knowing now to change the property of HR tag. So here if you want to draw a horizontal line in any color, red color, blue color, green color, here you have to give under the tag HR, after give some space, then write the color equal to, and in double quote you have to write the name of that color, which color you want to display in the browser. Like this you do the practice. Then practicals, computer lab, same, give write any file and then add two green lines to the end of the page. So to the end of the page you have to give two HR lines. So how to write? HR color equal to red is given here. Yes, first one is open the first HTML, first.html in Notepad. Then second, add two green lines to the end of the page, and at the end of the page you have to add two green lines. So after all the codings, before closing or before by closing the body tag, you have to write HR tag as HR color equal to green, and then use the command HR color equal to red and size equal to 5. Here also thickness and thinness is also there of your horizontal line. So if you want to increase and decrease the thickness, you can give the size. Here size equal to 5 is given, and then see the effect. If you are doing practice in computer or laptop, so do this practice also in your home. So come to the multiple choice question. Header tag can have the value from 1 to 6. 1 to 6 well, heading level are there. That H1 is the highest one and the H6 is the smallest one. Then Philip is a markup language. EXML, DLL and XML. So XML is a markup language. XML full form is extensible markup language. It is used to store our data. Then paragraph tag is used to add a P tag is used to add a paragraph in a web page. So student, next class will learn formatting text. Thank you.